Click on the link below to get price. Thanks for joining us today as we dive into an incredible tool that can elevate your sewing journey, the Janome MD6650. Whether you're an experienced sewist or just finding your footing in this colorful craft, this remarkable sewing machine is designed to enhance your experience and bring your artistic visions to life in ways you might never have imagined. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magic of sewing. It's not just about stitching fabric together, it's about expressing yourself, creating pieces that resonate with your personality, and perhaps even preserving family traditions. Imagine working on a large quilt that tells a story or a delicate garment that showcases your unique style. How can we make that creative process more enjoyable and efficient? With the Janome MC6650, you'll find that it opens up a world of possibilities. Picture this: you're set up at your sewing station, ready to unleash your creativity on a sprawling quilt. One of the first things you'll notice about the MC6650 is its spacious 10-inch all-metal seamless flatbed. This generous workspace allows you to maneuver large pieces of fabric with ease, giving you the freedom to explore your creativity without feeling cramped or limited. It's designed for artists like you who want to tackle big projects without the hassle of juggling fabric. Now, let's talk about staying in the zone. Have you ever been in that perfect groove, stitching away, when suddenly you need to adjust the foot pedal? Right when inspiration strikes, it can feel like a real interruption. Well, the MC6650 comes equipped with a start/stop button. How convenient is that? You can easily control your stitching with just a press of a button, keeping your hands free to focus entirely on your artistic vision. No more fumbling around, just pure, uninterrupted creativity. And here's another feature that really emphasizes convenience: the MC6650 has favorite stitch setting defaults. What does that mean for you? It means you can jump right into sewing without having to scroll through an endless list of stitch options. This gives you more time to create those beautiful, unique pieces you dream of. Speaking of stitches, let's dive into the impressive array of 170 stitches and 2 alphabets this machine offers. Each stitch is crafted with precision, thanks to the top-loading rotary hook bobbin system. This feature ensures that you can tackle complex patterns with absolute confidence. Imagine creating intricate designs that showcase your skill and creativity. Now, threading the machine can often feel like a puzzle, but not anymore. The superior needle threader on the MC6650 makes this process a breeze. With just one push, you're ready to sew. Plus, switching needle plates is quick and easy, allowing you to transition effortlessly between different sewing tasks. Lighting is crucial when it comes to sewing, particularly for those detailed tasks. The Janome MD6650 shines brightly, featuring 6 strategically placed LEDs. You'll be able to see every detail clearly, especially when working on those intricate stitches that demand precision. And let's not forget about the automatic thread cutter and drop feed capabilities. These features are designed to meet all your sewing needs. Flexibility in your sewing experience can make all the difference. The MC6650 includes a foot pressure adjustment dial and speed control slider, allowing you to customize your sewing experience to your liking. And for those moments when you need a quick reference, the removable stitch reference chart is a fantastic tool for finding your favorite stitches with ease. Now, if you're eager to expand your skills and learn new techniques, you'll love the 12 accessory feet that come with the MC6650. These feet support everything from quilting to embroidery, making it a versatile companion for all your projects. Plus, it's user-friendly, supporting 15 languages. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you'll feel right at home with this machine. Let's take a moment to reflect on performance. The Janome MD6650 shines with an impressive solid 4.4 star rating from 269 reviews. It's a favorite among sewing enthusiasts everywhere, making it the ideal companion for both newcomers and experienced sewists alike. It's clear that this machine has something special to offer. As we draw to a close, I invite you to envision the creative freedom you can unleash with the MD6650. Picture yourself crafting stunning pieces with professional power, all from the comfort of your home. It's not just about sewing, it's about discovering your artistic potential and making your mark in the world of creativity. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired and ready to embark on your next sewing adventure. May your creative journey flourish, and happy sewing to you all. Click on the link below to get price.